All right, back here, this is underneath the patio or the covered area. So we have erosion, pretty severe erosion right here where the drains come out. So what we're going to do is extend these drains. We'll connect. We'll seal these off so nothing leaks, and we'll connect them with. We could use a black pipe. We have that just because it's not the strength of the pipe isn't important, and it'll be less visible. Otherwise, we could use a blue pipe, but that's going to be very visible. So we'll just connect these two to each other, and we'll run 2 pipes down to about those tree area, that tree line area over there. We'll run it through, just make sure it's not blocked up, and we're going to seal those up, and then we're going to bring in fresh dirt, and we'll have to bring it in with buckets just because, and hand bring it down here, and then pack this in with a tamper and try to pack this in as best as possible so that we can restore this area. Then everything else should be okay. The erosion everywhere else, you know, we can pack some in here too. So I'll do that, and I'll look around just to make sure if there's any other erosion we can pack that. I don't know if that's just from the inspection when they were checking it out, but this is what we're primarily going to focus on, and we'll be good to go. All right, so there is this other issue. There's a lot of erosion here. This seems to be caused primarily by this downspout that, you know, just this helps move it, but this has been eroded. So we'll connect this downspout, and we'll connect it to a pipe going to ground. We'll take it out, and it's a blue, very high quality blue pipe, but then we'll bring it out of the ground over here, and we'll just extend it with the black pipe like we did. Once we get past this bush so you don't see it over there, we'll extend it down there. So it's not going to be very much money to go that way. We'll just bring it from here to here underground, and they'll be able to clean out there, and then we'll take soil, just like what we're going to use in the back. We'll pack this in, we'll clean this up, and we'll seed and straw this, so this will be able to be restored, and no more erosion.